Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's gonna look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm gonna accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big, update that, has occurred since the last video I did was that the price has now broken down below this green line here at 7,500. And that brings about the first key change that needs to be made. And this is just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And we have a perfect example of that ever since the price has gotten down below it. You can see over the past 24 hours, the price has tried to get up above that level, and now it's just flat out acting as resistance, which segues into the first question to ask yourself. And let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question number one just simply becomes, where's the price at relative to 7,500? If you're still answering the question that the price is down below it, well, then that pretty much means the bears are in control. How much control? We'll get to that in just a second. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is actually up above 7,500, the next immediate question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,800? As that is that next key overarching level of resistance. And if the price is just simply between the two, I mean, that's definitely a step in the right direction. There's still a whole lot of work that needs to be done, but certainly any sort of form of, answering the question that the price is up above 7,500, implies that at least this little miniature sideways price movement has shown enough power to work its way upwards. But like I said, still more work to be done, and more work would be, around the 7,800. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above 7,800, that would just be telling you that the bulls have really come, storming back, and that would definitely be a great situation. I'd be shocked if that was the case, but it is Bitcoin, so I suppose you never know. Now, as far as, answering the question that the price is down below 7,500, I made the comment about, well, how bearish that is depends. And that's where just gut instincts, common sense comes into play. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still down below 7,500 and it's sitting right here at 7,400. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing. That's still bearish that the price is down below those areas. But that's much different than saying, well, Clay, the price is down below 7,500 and it's all the way down there at 7,000. That's a whole lot more bearish of a situation. So like I said, gut instincts, common sense comes into play in that form. But basically, the further down below 7,500 the price is, just the more bearish things have become. So use those levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.